Hi, you're watching SkillSheen, and in this video, I'll show you the procedure to re-enable Internet Explorer. In 2021, Microsoft announced that it would no longer support Internet Explorer due to prolonged security concerns. In 2022, it disabled the icon from search and start menu and thereby removing the option for a normal user to access it. So why do we need Internet Explorer? It's because there are some web pages, mostly hosted within the local net, that uses macros and flash components which are unsupportive in current web browsers. Example is this. As you can see, it asks for NP API, which is deprecated from the current browsers. Now some might suggest to use web extensions like IE tab or IE ability, but that might pose risk of password theft, as plugins like them have access to activities performed on other browsers with keystroke identification. The next option is to enable the Internet Explorer in Microsoft Edge. This is a viable option and I'll explain that later. The last option is to add Internet Explorer. This will allow you to use the application just like any other browser. To add it, just go to Settings, Apps, click on Optional Feature, and from here, click on Add a Feature. Type Internet Explorer and install the app. Make sure to have a working internet connection. After it gets complete, restart your PC. After your system boots up, search for Windows feature and enable the Internet Explorer if it wasn't already checked. Restart again. In my case, it was already checked. Now search for Internet Explorer. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled the Internet Explorer. Now the video was ready a long time ago, as you can see here. But as per Microsoft's changelog, it was stated that Internet Explorer would be removed forcefully even from the features section. In order for me to check the same, I waited till the next update. As for March 2023, I can still see the option to install IE from features section. But to be safe, here is the procedure to enable Internet Explorer compatibility in Edge. After the February update, opening IE will redirect you to Edge. So now the only option for the system with the latest update is to use IE mode in Edge. All the previous steps are necessary for IE to work in Edge. Launch Microsoft Edge, go to Settings and search for Internet Explorer. Click on the hyperlink in the option, choose Allow and restart the browser. Go back to the same option containing the hyperlink, enable it, and there you have it. The IE logo appears in the search bar. Now I'll open the same web page but in IE mode. In my case, it'll ask me to download the Silverlight and Flash Parser, also known as Web Plugin. These are the supporting applications required by this page to function and play videos in the browser. These prompts are just the Flash asking permission to execute on a browser. I'm entering wrong credentials here just to show the return prompts appearing, thus shows the method is working as intended. There you have it. It's running as intended. I won't recommend to use IE for purpose except using for locally hosted pages. For these purpose, it'll be safe enough. Just don't use it for personal browsing, especially for banking purpose. Always check the browser mode before using it for banking purpose. I hope this has answered your query. If you have any comments, please put it down in the comment section and I'll try to answer it. Thanks for watching. Bye.